now come and say hello. Welcome out to the next episode. I'm sorry about the thing I told you before, but now it's canceled. And by the way, here's a puppy reveal. Here it is. Here's a puppy.
Here's the puppy reveal. Say hi, Elsie.
I set it up. So this is the puppy reveal. Here she is.
Hey.
Do you see her on the camera? So there she is.
She's such a good puppy.
Yeah, alright. So let's get back to our view. Oh.
Hi.
Alright. Luki says hi. Alright. So we have to actually. So let's get our bottle containers. Where's our bottle containers? And Giovanna, would you like to keep the lava lamp?
I would love to. We put it on the counter.
Okay, put it in here. Luki, would you like to keep the lava lamp we made?
Yes.
So guys,
What
this
does
is.
it do?
So it's just like a lava lamp, and it's like a nightlight pot. But I wanted to make it glow in the dark, but we need glow in the dark potion for it.
Oh, can we get that?
Let's see if one of our science can if we have a glow in the dark potion. I'll look for this. Glow in the dark, that's sodium phosphate.
Sharp little choppers.
No glow in the dark potion. Giovanna,
What?
where's our little bottles?
Our little bottles of.
Oh, here they are.
Have you ever heard of a dingo?
What?
Have you ever heard of a dingo? They're these little Australian dogs, and they're like wild dogs. They're
Oh,
kind of
you know what? Look
They're
here.
like smaller than hyenas, but they kind of look
I
like
think it'll be really good if we use 3 of them. All right. Well, first let's add the baking soda, and then. Oh, here it is. Here's the baking soda. We'll add some. Now I'm gonna add some baking soda in here.
Hey! How you doing? Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Yeah, Alejandro. Yeah, totally. Yeah, totally. Yeah, of course. Of course, yes. Okay, cool.
What do you want?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Okay, sounds like a plan. Right back. Okay, so,
What?
Alejandro, here's the deal. So I have to go pick up my brother at like 10 o'clock tonight, but your parents are at a party, right?
Yeah.
So there's a family down the road. There are some older boys, so like college boys. And your parents are friends with their parents, and so your dad just told me that I'm gonna drop you off at their house when we have to leave, and then you get to play video games with them and hang out with them, and then your parents pick you up from their house.
Can I go to their house?
I wish we
Giovanna. Alright.
Why can't I just go?
Because you need to go pick up Max.
I don't want to pick up Max.
And remember, like what I said, Giovanna, we can always fill this up by a bag. We can fill this up by a bag. Because I don't want to waste cardboard. So, alright, Loki. Loki, that's getting so big. I think you should let it go. Because I don't want it to pop on you. And that's, you know, one time I've actually made a balloon pop on me and it literally hurt my lips. And I don't want to make you hurt your lips.
No, don't worry. I always do this.
Here's our dye. Now let's put the dye inside of the bottle. Should we add some green in here, Luke? Lukey, let's add some green in here.
No.
Add green.
Careful.
You got the stick.
That's fine, but you can just put your.
Oh, here.
I don't know how we're gonna fix that drip. That's just gonna have to be a part of our food coloring. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Why don't we put some other colors in too? Lukey, you're making me really nervous, okay? Because I don't want you. I'm sorry, Lukey, but you need to pick up Max. I'm really sorry, Lukey. Wait, was John?
Oh, that was cool.
Was John invited to the party with Mary?
No. He has to. He's at a basketball game, I think.
Is that a basketball game? I hope he's enjoying it. Lukey, you're making me really nervous.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Here, Alejandro, your dad wants to talk to you.
Oh. Hello?
Their sons, they went to Barlow High School. They're going to be there. They're going to babysit you for the rest of the night, and then we'll come pick you up tonight. Is that okay?
Yeah, I heard it from Giovanna. Thank you.
And they're going to teach you how to play. They're going to teach you how to play Minecraft.
Okay.
All right? They have Xbox there, and you're good. And hey, listen, you need to take your iPad and the charger for your iPad. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And then we'll pick you up over there. And if you get tired, just lay down, and we'll be there tonight. All right?
All right.
All right.
Wait, can I talk to him? Mr. Vanilla, should I just put Elsie in her cage? Okay. Okay. All right. Sounds good. Yeah, of course. All right. Bye.
Alejandro, watch this.
Whoa!
You
Oh.
blow it up, then you let it go.
Okay, I want this one to be really yellow. Jordan, this one will be really yellow, and then yours will be really red. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I love red.
Would you like yours to be really red?
Yeah, I love red. Red's my favorite color.
Oh no, there's red all over this. We can't use this blue yet. It looks like frosting all over. Is there anything on this one? I don't think so, no. Okay, would you like the baseball one to be really red?
Yes, please.
Alright, I'm gonna make it this one. This bottle will be really red. Oh wow, the bottle will be pink. How is this?
Alejandro, I'm gonna let it go.
1, 2, 3!
Oh, so cool. Did you see it go?
Alright guys, so we have a, hold on, my hands are gonna get red. Okay, that's just gonna have to be another part of my hand. Oh. Half of my hands are gonna have to be red for the rest of it. Until morning. Alright, I want, you said the baseball one to be really red, right?
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll do double amount of way. One, two, three more. This one's really bad. All right, Lukey, are you ready to pour in a liquid? Alright, Lukey, what would you like to pour in?
Some water.
But water isn't acidic. Otherwise, I need to add citric acid to it.
Oh.
Would you like to add in some? We just add lemon juice, or just add lime juice?
Lime juice? Can I stop the bubble?
Oh, that's hubba.
Yeah,
Wait, there's also another one, but it's a gummy version. Oh, here's the gummy.
Oh, yes, I'll take that.
Here, would you like a piece? Sure. What's that? I'll have some too. How is it, Lukey? Elsie wants to watch Giovanna. How about Elsie? Is that if I take Elsie to go outside?
Yeah.
Here you go, Lukey. Now pour in the lime juice, whatever container you'd like.
Can I pour it in?
Well, I think I might have one. Whoa, no, Lukey.
Oh, we closed the door. It's so cold.
Look, Lukey, do not pour that one. I have one.
Yeah. I saw that. Oh,
I have
Bruce,
one
I
that's
saw
already
that.
open.
Oh, I can play
This
so
is one
hard.
that's already
I can
open.
play harder than you.
Can I pour it in?
Sure. You, I'm gonna do it. You pour this one and I'll pour this one. Okay, pour 'em. 1, 2, 3. You can just like do the. You're gonna squat this, Lukey. Look at this one. Oh, look! It's yellow and green. Wait. Look, let me. Right now. Here you go. Whoa, look at that! I have an idea. Let's go down our. Can we add some green too? Let's add more baking soda in here. Oh, vinegar. Vinegar in this one. I think vinegar. Look at this. Whoa, that's really yellow. It's so yellow.
Alejandro, when can we play Roblox?
Oh, and well,
Where did my phone go? Nothing. Oh, just kidding. Who started eating the gum?
us did because we wanted to try it.
Okay, next time just ask, okay?
Alright, look, yeah, I'm adding in more coloring to these bottles as well. Is it okay if I add some into the really red one? Alright, now would you like to put in? Wait, I'm gonna get some lemon juice. I'll say no. Ah.
A little piece of ice.
Right here is the lemon container. I'm gonna pour the lemon 1, 2 here carefully. Oh, wait, look, you pour. wait, put lime juice in here, and I'll put the lemon one in here.
Wait, what?
Okay, I use lemon juice and you use lime juice, okay? Okay, would you like to put in this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and then just squirt it out, just like this. There you go. Yeah, see that? Whoa, whoa, look at mine. Mine is, oh, I have an idea, Loki. Look what you can do. With that little orange drop on there, look how colorful it is, Loki. I have an idea. Whoa, look how yellow.
It's yellow.
Let's do a yellow drop of it.
Oh, look at that. That looks so cool.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of like a yellow-green waterfall. Let's mix it up. Should we add more baking soda? What do you think?
That's baking soda. That would help so much.
Okay, let's add some more baking soda. Now let's add some more baking soda. A lot of it. Alright, here we go. I fill this up with baking soda. Now let's add more in here.
Now?
Here, yeah. Just excuse me to add in more baking soda in here. I have an idea. I'm gonna put a chunk. I don't want you to waste it, okay? Oh wait a minute. Let's add coloring. It's added coloring. It's added coloring, Looky.
I know.
Look. Wow, look at
It
that.
looks like blood.
Hang on, should we empty these things out? So that way we can get to the rest of the baking soda. Wait, I'm actually gonna empty yours out. You know why?
Because it has bubbly foam.
Because
on it.
we need to, so I did that so that way we can get to the rest of the baking soda. Well, I'm gonna empty this out. Okay, let's empty. I'm gonna add more baking soda in yours.
Alejandro, watch. Look at this, Alejandro. I'm gonna let it go. Count. Count
1,
down.
2,
No,
3.
count down.
3, 2, 1. It got Oh, this time,
It got
would you
fried.
would you like to use the lime juice and I use the vinegar? So I use the vinegar and you use.
all that vinegar?
Okay, I'm gonna use. Okay.
Wait, is this lime juice?
Yep, it's lime juice. See, look, 100% lime juice.
Should I use this?
Sure, you can pour whatever one you want. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Mine's barely coming up.
Here. Oh, more. Whoa. Oh, I haven't even added this one yet.
We need more food coloring in mine.
Whoa.
Like just only
Let's
food.
go. Look, more green.
Hey, wait, I need to put some food coloring in.
Wait, let's put some food coloring. Oh, look, it's coming up. It's coming up. Whoa. Hang on. Actually, I'm going to empty this thing out really quick. So that way we can
Oh,
get
this is
to
all becoming blood.
that way we can get to the rest of the baking soda. Let's add more in. So wait, excuse me, because I need to add more baking soda in here. To yours, let's add more baking soda in here. Add more baking soda in this one, because it's.
I need more.
There you go. Add more coloring to it. Would you like?
We need more lime juice.
Wait, would you like to pour in lemon juice this time?
No.
This time, I'll use lemon juice. gonna clean this. What's
Mine
that?
needs more food coloring. Where's the red food coloring?
Here's the red one.
No, I have it. Oh.
But it's all done.
This is all gone. What do I do?
Oh,
What do I
no.
do with this?
I have another one for you.
What do I do with it though?
Oh, throw it away.
Hey, where's the garbage?
Right here.
There it is.
I'll let you use this one.
Thank you.
Here's a new one.
Good girl.
We need more baking soda.
Oh, yeah. Let's add some in there. Let's add more baking soda. Okay. I think it's enough now.
Let's pour some food coloring.
Yeah, let's put some food coloring and stuff. Wait, we should do it like in a bottle. Oh, I'm actually gonna empty out these two. So that way we can get to the rest of the baking soda and all of them. Oh, look. Guys, look at all the... We're working really hard in making a masterpiece inside of the tray and the bottles. Okay, I want to add it. Would you like some yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, here's some yellow.
Why isn't mine going up?
Oh, would you like it?
I know why. Because I need more lime juice.
Wait. Would you like to use like an easier one? Here's the easier one that you can use. Okay, I'm gonna add in this. Okay, I want this one. Look. I want this one to be really yellow. Cause you poured lime juice onto me.
Sorry.
It's okay. The next time, be more careful. Oh my God! Wait.
Look at mine. Giovanna,
Look at that one, Giovanna. It's orange.
Whoa! Wow, I love those colors. Those ones are so cool.
And then Giovanna, look at mine next.
Whoa!
Mine is gonna be.
All right. We have used plenty of lemon juice now.
And then look how much.
Lukey, enough.
Look, it's enough now.
Look at mine.
Wow, that's so good.
And look at this one. This one's really yellow.
Mine's really red.
I want to see what happens if we add vinegar in the yellow. I want to see. I want to see what happens if we add the vinegar in here. Oh wow! Look at that one. Now let's see what happens if I put in this green one. See how the baking soda is green? Whoa.
Count down for me. 100, count down.
1,
No, count
3,
down.
2. Whoa!
Oh, that was so close.
That was so amazing. Why isn't it coming? Maybe we need more baking soda. Oh yeah, I can see it's dissolving now. Whoa!
Ow, it hit my face.
Okay, let's add
Alejandro.
this baking powder.
Alejandro.
What?
Alejandro was like,
I know, I saw
and then it hit my face while it was fine. Like,
I told you it could hurt your lips.
no, it didn't hurt my lips. While it was fine, like, and then it hit my face.
Whoa, look at this one. Look at that's really big. That's going up a tiny bit, but look. If I add more baking soda. Oh, that's kind of weird. There you go.
Alejandro, count down for me. Alejandro, count down.
It's really yellow.
Alejandro, count down.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was so cool. It was just like going, Alejandro, it was just like going in loops like. It hit the window.
Okay. Let's see what this one does. Wow, look at how colorful. Ooh, it's a light yellow.
All right, no more, okay?
This last one for all of these. Huh, that was, oh, you got some on me.
Sorry.
Hang on, well, this one isn't really working this well. Oh, look how this is a lot of liquid. Look, empty out this. Now let's try it.
Nope, no more, okay? I already said no more lemon juice. We've used too many liquids now.
This is the last one in here.
Nope, we're not doing any more.
Last one in here. Last
Nope,
one in
nope,
here.
Alejandro. No. We used so many. No.
Oh, give it to me.
No. Alejandro, no.
But Giovanna, now look what's on me.
I know, you need to go wash off. It looks like you're bleeding. Lukey, go wash your hands, alright? Alright, we gotta get this stuff cleaned up because you guys, we're gonna have to leave soon to go over to those people's houses.
Giovanna, I'll help you clean up, and I'm so kind as well. Sometimes I don't listen. Remember? Because sometimes you're just gonna send me to bed, right?
What?
If I'm not gonna do committee.
Then I will send you to bed, yes. But I'm not gonna.
Then I will be really angry, right?
Yeah, 38 High Ridge Road. 38.
Yeah! Do it. Hang on. Well, first I'm gonna empty out these in the tray.
3, 2, 1, blast off.
There's also baking soda in here.
I know. That was so cool.
Oh my gosh, guys! Look how pretty it looks. I'm gonna keep on this one. Wow. I want it to be green.
Alejandro, what did I tell
Let's
you?
add some more in
No,
here.
please stop.
Whoa. Okay. Whoa, look at that one.
That one's so pretty.
I'm gonna put this thing off to the side. I'm gonna put all the rest of the baking soda. Oh, it's so powdery. Whoa! That one went so high. Wait, what are you doing with the vinegar?
Putting it away. I asked you to do that, and you did it.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at the whole thing. Oh no, it's okay. Look how amazing. Wait, I'm gonna turn off the camera.